What's up guys, today we're unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I know it's a bit late, but I've had trouble getting the video uploaded, so yeah, we're going to unbox this today. As you can see, the box is a lot slimmer than normal. This particular phone's in Pacific Blue, which I think is the best colour. Peel off the sticker and that's it. Doesn't go all the way around like it used to. Yep, the 3 cameras on the back and the speakers at the bottom with the aluminium casing surround. It's got the flash and the LiDAR sensor at the bottom for depth perception, which will help in photos and also AR. But look what's in the box. You only get a cable now, no power brick. You also don't get any headphones. You get the SIM tool and the Apple stickers, and that's pretty much it. You get a little instruction booklet as well, quick startup guide. Back to the phone. Yeah, so this is the Max, like I said before, in Pacific Blue. It's also got MagSafe on the back for the wallets and for the charger. And that's pretty much it guys. I will be back with a review in a couple of weeks once I've had a chance to use it. Please subscribe, hit the like button, just helps me out a bit. Also, excuse the mess on the table. This is the next video up, which is Lego Lamborghini Sian. Just in the middle of building it, so hit notifications for when that goes up and then you won't miss out.